a study of how energy is transformed from one form to another. And ang energy natin, present yan palagi sa paligid natin. Kaya ang thermodynamics pala, nagagawa na natin siya sa pang-araw-araw na buhay. Na minsan, hindi na natin siya napapansin. Na kahit nasa loob lang tayo ng bahay. So, paano siya nangyari? Katulad na lamang ng paggamit natin ng air conditioner, cooking our meals, and kahit itong paglusaw lang ng yelo na to is nagpapakita ng thermodynamics. Paano naman kaya sa pagtimpla ng kape? Thermodynamics plays a significant role in the process of making coffee, and I'm gonna show you how. Hello everyone, I'm Villaflor Iron, and today I'll make a coffee to show you how the first law of thermodynamics works.
In making coffee, heat is transferred from the hot water to the coffee grounds. This process follows principle of heat transfer, including conduction.
Nag-i-spread out yung energy, which we cannot see, pero nararamdaman natin siya. So kapag sinabi natin conduction, ang heat, nag-move siya through materials dahil meron silang different temperature. And also, when you touch yung metal spoon na matagal nang nakababad dito sa hot coffee natin, yung heat, magta-transform siya sa kamay mo through conduction. So, ang conduction naman, nangyayari siya as the hot liquid circulates, distributing heat throughout the coffee. So, paano siya nangyayari? So, para mas maintindihan natin siya, paano ba tayo nag-iinit ng ulam? So, kapag nag-iinit tayo ng ulam, hinahalo natin siya. Pag hinahalo natin siya, uma-active yung heat at bumababa naman yung malamig na part. At as the cycle continues, habang hinahalo natin siya, pumapantay na ngayon yung init. So, same as making coffee. Kapag sinali natin yung hot water dito sa coffee natin, convection happens as the hot water moves around the coffee, ensuring that the heat is distributed. Additionally, in the context of making coffee, the temperature control in thermodynamics is about maintaining the right heat levels. So, meaning yan, para makamit natin yung gusto natin timpla ng kape, kailangan natin dito ng tamang init para masarap yung kalabasan ng kape mo. And a few hours later, syempre ang temperature niyan nag-goes down. Why? It is because yung heat is lost by the coffee and the surroundings absorb the heat. So in the summary, thermodynamics governs a various aspect of coffee making process, including na lang sa mga na-discuss natin like heat transfer, temperature control, and heat loss. So sa thermodynamics, meron yan sa pagtitimpla ng kape.